Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Affinity application to the latest version. Now, normally what happens is that if update is available, what's going to happen is that when you open the application, you should see a pop-up that basically says a new version is available. You can choose to download it now, or you can choose to press OK and continue or click it off. But if you want to update it manually at a different point in time, all you have to do is simply click on help from the many options here, and here in the list you'll find check for updates. Simply click on that, and here you will see that it says an update is available. If yes, you get something like that, click on OK, and you will be able to update it. So as you can see right here, it tells that a new version is available, and I will show you as well. Even though you get that pop-up, you will be able to update it. So I'm going to show you right now. If I close out of Affinity right here, I can go ahead and I can double click, and what you should see, if the update is available, it should pop up immediately and say that, oh yeah, look at that, see, new version is available. I can click and download, and that's going to take me over Affinity homepage. As you can see, it's going to open up something like this, and you just need to go ahead and download from the website again. That's the only thing. You have to download the application once more. It doesn't allow you to update within the app, so just go ahead and choose it. If you're using a PC, you can choose the option. So as you can see right here, it says x64 and so forth. If you don't know which version you had before, which you can easily find it out, just simply click the Windows key and type in system, and you will find system info. You open that, you exactly your computer system type. Mine is x64, and so I will download this version here in my case, and you will see right here that I'm currently downloading it on the upper right hand side. So this is it, it's currently downloading, and all I'm gonna do is just wait for that to finish download, and I will install it. Right, you don't have to uninstall the previous version before. You can just keep it as is, but once the installation is completed, then you can go ahead and install the latest version of Affinity. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to just wait for that to finish download, and yeah, we will go ahead and update it together so that you can see how to do it. But it's a pretty straightforward process. So if you want to update it yourself, if you haven't seen, for example, that pop-up like I have, you can go to help and check for updates, see if something available, and if it does, then you can even manually go to the website affinity.studio and download it, because the website is going to have the latest version available. So as you can see, I have it here. I'm going to double click and run this installation file, which is the new one. And I'm going to just close it of this window right here, close it of Affinity as well. And here you can see, now it gives you the pop-up. It says that it will be updated to this version 3.0.1. So just simply click update. You get a pop-up, click on OK, yes, and you can see that it's preparing to update Affinity. And this shouldn't take too long to update, right? So it should be some simple changes here and there. As you can see, the update is installing right now. And if you look to the upper left hand side on my PC as well, you can see that the icon is gone. But once the update is finished, it's going to come back and have that new application icon there on my desktop. And there you have it, guys. You can see that it's done. Setup is successful. I click on close, and I have Affinity on my desktop. I'm just going to double click, and you can see the version right here, 3.0.1. And there I have it. It's updated. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking to update Affinity, guys, that's how you can easily go ahead and update Affinity on your PC or laptop. I really hope you found value within this video, guys. And if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And thank you guys for watching.